yeah. It's the long life, big dreams. It's crazy, dog. Yeah, yeah. Just like the other night, what I saw on my sleep, everything that I saw in my dreams, they just coming together. Now I know the real truth, I ain't living forever. I gotta hustle up, hustle up, hustle up, and do this thing for my son. I gotta hustle up, hustle up, hustle up, and yeah, I gotta hustle up and do this thing for my son. Fasting, fast, we ain't living forever. We gotta face that thing and keep it together. It doesn't matter, you do better, but life is always changing like the weather, so it's now or never. That's when I came back to my thought, and then I thought I'm here cause I'm white, and the still is bigger than the earth. I say it's bigger cause I survived the day of bed. We taking life light till we see that. I see myself in the dark trying to find the lights. Everything wrong, I'm trying to make it right. I'm trying to make it through the night. That's why I always write and tell myself that it's gonna be alright. Yeah, just like the other night, what I saw on my sleep, everything that I saw in my dreams, they just coming together. Now I know the real truth, I ain't living forever. I gotta hustle up, hustle up, hustle up, and do this thing for my son. I gotta hustle up, hustle up, hustle up, and yeah, I gotta hustle up and do this thing for my son. I say life is a gift and a curse, something to enjoy but it can't be a jest. Hey, something for your brain to digest. I got something on my chest to release me. Let me touch this light. Now it's action over caption. It's time I release my passion. It's time that I show perception. It's time now I focus on the mission, and my son is the reason why I gotta take it higher. That is my desire, building an empire for my son. I can risk it all even if they say walk on the fire. I would say more fire. Just like the other night, what I saw on my sleep, everything that I saw in my dreams, they just coming together. Now I know the real truth, I ain't living forever. I gotta hustle up, hustle up, hustle up, and do this thing for my son. I gotta hustle up, hustle up, hustle up, and yeah, I gotta hustle up and do this thing for my son.